Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Shame guys, uGabi G, she thinks ukuthi uthole happily ever after wakhe now that uNwazi confessed ukuthi he is the father of the child. Kanti hayi uSifoxia guys usabonisa ukuthi yebo kunemfihlo. So he confronts uGabisile and he's like, mntanami, kunemfihlo enkulu oyifihlile. Ayishebo uGabisile guys ale. And she's like, baba, ayikho imfihlo engiyifihlile mina. Imfihlo le engiyaziyo mina yileyo yokuthi ngizithwele kodwa manje ke everyone knows about it. So ayikho nje imfihlo baba. uSifoxia goes on to say, mntanami, uyabona mntanami, njengoba umbheke emehlweni nje iyabhala lento. UMthembu mntanami uthi wena unemfihlo, and nemfihlo if awuyikhulumi nomntana uzochitheka, uzofa you guys. But you can see ukuthi uGabisile guys, she's adamant. Guys, but listen guys, some people were saying ukuthi uMamZobe nje, she did tell uSpha ukuthi she's responsible for Umthembu's death. So what does Umthembu want from uLokuzana, from uGabi G, now that uMamZobe confessed to someone? Other people are saying ukuthi maybe Umthembu wants uGabisile, because remember when uMamZobe told uSpha, she only told her side. She did not mention igama likaGabisile. So maybe Umthembu wants uGabisile naye, she must say her part in what she did, and maybe you want ukuthi lento khulunywe phambi kwebandla guys, because other people are like, shemu uGabisile, she doesn't deserve this because vele guys wethunye uma wakhe. But at the end of the day, uGabisile, she's a grown woman. She was old enough. She could have, zamed a way to not follow her mother's instructions. But listen, Umthembu is adamant ukuthi uLokuzana uGabi G akayikhulume lento you guys. Other people feel like Umthembu kodwa my favorite. Why can't uGabisile, she's not catching a break you guys? Why uMamZobe is not suffering for this sin all on her own? Asazi guys, the only person now that I'm thinking about right now guys is Ubaba Tifa. When he gets to hear this guys, he's not going to survive this one. He is not going to survive this one, because already when he heard about uGabisile's pregnancy, it was like, hey, ingatuzwohlanya or something like that. Guys, imagine he's not going to survive the sun. But guys, you tell me, if you were to give advice to uGabisile, what would you tell her? Utazithulele or alikhulumile iqiniso? I would say ukuthi girl zithulele, but the problem is her child's life is at risk, you guys. Kanti abomthembu guys, umthembu akawazi ukuthethelela ukhuluma izono zakho in private. Can't uGabisile just confess in private and then her child's life is saved? Why does she need to do it in front of ibandla? Aye guys, uMamZobe, she must suffer for that. uGabisile guys, already she's went through enough humiliation. So anyway, you guys tell me your thoughts on this. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.